Meaning of idolization.
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 Idolization. Idolization refers to the act of treating someone or something as an idol or object of worship. It involves placing a person or thing on a pedestal and venerating them as perfect or infallible, often at the expense of critical thinking or objective evaluation. The result of idolization can be harmful, as it can lead to blind devotion, unrealistic expectations, and a reluctance to acknowledge flaws or misdeeds. It can also create an unhealthy power dynamic, where the idolized person or thing has an undue influence over their followers or supporters.